All right, so boom. So now we talking about the pricing on the personal side. All right, so they got all different kind of pricings, bro. You don't even gotta go to the most expensive. You can just roll with this right here, because you can subscribe to the low, then you can go from subscribe to build and save to the magnum. Now, I'm gonna tell you like I learned, like a guy told me on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Bandman Kevo. He said, you wanna play ball, we just gonna go to the big boy. We not even gonna worry with the small stuff. We just gonna go straight to the top. We wanna get the biggest installment for the biggest amount, and we wanna go ahead and get the process rolling so you can go and get the biggest installment reporting to them. So it can look it so to them it's looking this like, damn, he's making on-time payments on this big ass installment each month. Accordingly, credit gonna shoot up. Now you available to get your loans. You available to get your more credit cards. You know, different funding if you need to build more. You know what I'm saying? And invest more. So this is what I went to. I went to the Magnum. It was a different price at first. The prices didn't change and shit like that. But here you see you got the $55 a month for the 5,000 installment, 110. We're going to go back though. Let me see real quick. So you can subscribe to a $15 a month, $1,000 installment reporting just to start off. And then you can shoot it up if you want. I would suggest you start here and then build yourself up and do it how you want. You know what I'm saying? This way it'll be more manageable.
I started at the 55.
With your 15 a month.
But I would start at 55.
Yeah.
That would make sense.
Yeah.
I would start at 55. But you know what I'm saying? I got to get me a job down in Jackson.
Nah.
So I wouldn't even be doing this. I wouldn't be doing that credit strong shit until I got me a secure job in Jackson. I got my first paycheck.
Yeah.
I'm dropping some money off in the house. I'm paying bills.
Right.
You know.
Right.
Then
Makes
boom,
sense.
you know, I'm doing what I need to do.
Yeah.
You know.
It makes sense.
And even if I have to sell me a little dope for a little bit,
yeah,
put it to the side, you know.
Yeah.
Put it to the side, using my work shit to buy the dope.
It makes sense. And so all we doing is just pretty much just trying to basically make your credit look strong. You know what I'm saying? To the bureau. That's all it's doing. And so yeah, I understand. It's understandable what you're saying. That way you know some money coming into. That won't be no surprise when it come out and you like, damn, you know what I mean? There'll be something to cover it and back there. So yeah, I'm just showing you what's up. So if you want, you can do it now or you can wait. But this is the site. It's called Credit Strong. These are the prices. You can go from the personal side. And I've even done business, but I need to see and check on my days to see, because I'm late on my it's a $200 joint. You know what I'm saying? And I'm late. I'm paying the $200 over there and the $100 over there. And it's kind of like how you said, when you a boss and you know, I'm independent on my own, trying to get out here and scramble up my own money for my stuff. Yeah. It's a little, that price might hit me and I'll be like, damn, I got to go make something happen to pick that back. You know what I mean? So that's how that shit making moving right now. So what I'm gonna have to do is just go and pay it, because, you know what I'm saying, I got a little bit of money, so, you know, might go and put the money on there or see how many days I got left to keep it, because they'll close that shit off. So let me see, let me go to pricing real quick. So you see, you got the 10-year plan, $10,000 reporting, 10-year plan, $115 a month, build a business credit profile. I probably should have just got that one, but I did the biggest one because I want to think big. 5-year plan, go and pay it off in half of that. Go and pay that joint off real quick. Unlock that 10 grand. So now that's $20,000. Now I'm gonna be able to really play ball in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Because I still got the personal. It's still rolling. But I need to just, you know, probably go and drop a couple hundred on that. Keep that. Because that's going to help me in the long run. So, just about.